Welcome back to Ultra Auto Motorhome. Today, we're stepping inside one of the most extravagant luxury RV concepts ever imagined. The 2027 Chevrolet Motorhome is designed to redefine premium travel with futuristic technology, enormous living space, and luxury features that rival some of the world's finest hotels. Inspired by the bold engineering and innovation of Chevrolet, this incredible motorhome combines American power with next-generation comfort to create what many are already calling the most expensive and luxurious RV ever built. From the very first look, the exterior design immediately grabs attention. Unlike traditional box-shaped motorhomes, the 2027 Chevrolet Motorhome features a sleek, aerodynamic profile with flowing body lines and a futuristic appearance. The front fascia includes an illuminated grille design paired with ultra-slim LED headlights that stretch across the front, giving the RV a modern and aggressive identity. The body has been carefully sculpted to improve efficiency while maintaining a commanding road presence. Large, panoramic, smart glass windows extend along the sides, allowing passengers to enjoy stunning views during travel, while instantly adjusting transparency for privacy. Chrome accents, integrated LED lighting, and enormous premium alloy wheels further elevate the luxurious appearance. One of the most impressive exterior features is the expandable side lounge system. When parked, sections of the body extend outward to dramatically increase interior living space. Combined with a retractable rooftop terrace, the motorhome transforms into a private luxury suite capable of hosting guests or simply providing a relaxing environment during long adventures. The vehicle also includes advanced exterior technology such as automated leveling systems, intelligent climate-controlled storage compartments, and hidden solar panels integrated into the roof design. At the rear, a full-width LED light signature and futuristic digital display create a bold visual statement, especially at night. Step inside the 2027 Chevrolet Motorhome, and the experience immediately feels more like entering a luxury penthouse than an RV. The interior is spacious, elegant, and loaded with high-end materials, including premium leather upholstery, handcrafted wood trim, polished metal accents, and ambient lighting systems that create a relaxing atmosphere. The main lounge area is designed for both comfort and entertainment. Massive reclining seats with heating, cooling, and massage functions surround a giant retractable OLED display paired with a premium surround sound system. Whether passengers want to watch movies, enjoy music, or simply relax after a long day of travel, the cabin delivers an incredibly refined experience. The panoramic glass ceiling floods the interior with natural light during the day while offering breathtaking nighttime sky views. Smart lighting systems automatically adjust brightness and color temperature based on passenger preferences and time of day, creating a personalized luxury environment throughout the journey. Moving toward the center of the cabin, the kitchen area combines modern design with practical functionality. It combines a premium induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, convection oven, built-in coffee system, and hidden sink setup. Elegant stone countertops and soft-close cabinetry provide durability and sophistication, while intelligent storage solutions maximize space efficiency. Toward the rear, the master bedroom transforms the motorhome into a true luxury residence on wheels. A king-size floating bed with a premium mattress offers exceptional comfort, while floor-to-ceiling smart glass windows provide incredible scenic views. Ambient lighting, wireless charging stations, and integrated climate controls make the space feel comparable to a high-end luxury hotel suite. The bathroom area continues the premium experience with a spacious rain shower, heated flooring, illuminated mirrors, and elegant fixtures throughout. Advanced water recycling and filtration systems improve efficiency during extended off-grid travel while maintaining high-end comfort. Performance is equally impressive. The 2027 Chevrolet Motorhome is expected to use an advanced hybrid electric powertrain capable of delivering smooth acceleration, quiet operation, and strong towing capability.
Electric torque provides effortless highway performance despite the vehicle's massive size, while the hybrid system improves efficiency for long-distance travel. The adaptive air suspension system continuously monitors road conditions and adjusts automatically to ensure maximum ride comfort. Passengers experience a stable and smooth journey even on rough roads, creating a relaxing travel experience similar to luxury train travel. Chevrolet has also equipped the motorhome with highly advanced driver assistance technology. Features include semi-autonomous highway driving, active cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane centering assistance, automatic emergency braking, and a full 360-degree camera system. These systems help reduce driver fatigue and make maneuvering a large vehicle much easier. Inside the cockpit, a massive curved digital display provides navigation, vehicle diagnostics, entertainment controls, and energy management information in a clean and futuristic interface. Voice-controlled AI systems allow passengers to manage climate settings, lighting, seating positions, and multimedia functions effortlessly. Another standout feature is the smart connectivity system built into the motorhome. High-speed satellite internet, onboard Wi-Fi, remote app controls, and integrated smart home compatibility allow passengers to stay connected no matter where they travel. This transforms the RV into both a luxury travel vehicle and a fully functional mobile office or living space. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2027 Chevrolet Motorhome firmly sits in the ultra-luxury RV segment. Industry estimates suggest a starting price around $900,000, while fully customized versions with bespoke interior materials, premium technology upgrades, and exclusive design packages could exceed $2 million. The 2027 Chevrolet Motorhome represents a bold vision of future luxury travel. It combines advanced engineering, futuristic styling, intelligent technology, and five-star comfort into a vehicle designed to completely redefine the RV experience. For travelers who want the freedom of the open road without sacrificing luxury, technology, or space, this incredible motorhome proves that the future of ultra-premium RV living has already arrived. Thanks for watching Ultra Auto Motorhome, and I'll see you on the next journey.